Hello guys, this is your friend Tunadha Muharib. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll know about the World War II from the beginning to the end in brief. After watching this video, I can challenge you. No one can beat you in the quiz or any questions of World War II. So let's see the intro first, then we'll go to the mainstream. So here comes the slideshow of World War II. Here we will know about the countries and leaders who were involved in World War II, their timeline and main events, and the result of World War II. So let's start. There were two teams in World War II. One is Axis, the other is Allied. So we'll know here the Axis first. There are main three countries in the Axis: Germany, Italy, and Japan. Here comes the Allied forces: USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, or Soviet Union, present Russia; United States of America, United Kingdom, France, and China. So now we'll know about the main leaders of the World War II. Here the leaders of China and France is not given because their leaders doesn't play any important role in the World War II. At first, here is the leader of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, the president of USA at that time; Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of UK; Adolf Hitler, the Chancellor of Germany; Joseph Stalin, the President of USSR; Benito Mussolini, the Prime Minister of Italy; and Emperor Hirohito of Japan. So they were the main leaders of the main countries. Those played a crucial role in the World War II. There is a question I want to share with you which comes in different quizzes of World War II, that who were called the Big Three. The President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt; the Prime Minister of UK, Winston Churchill; and the President of USSR, Joseph Stalin. They three were called the Big Three because they represent the big three countries at that time. So here we'll know about the timeline and the main events of World War II. On 1st September 1939, Germany attacked Poland and World War II have started. On June 22, 1941, Germany attacked Soviet Union in Stalingrad with 40 lakh armies. Just think, 40 lakh armies. Before this, Germany had a good base and good form in Europe, also in the World War II. But after attacking the USSR, Germany was used to raise down in the graph of the World War II. Japan attacked at Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941. After this attack, many of the American ships were destroyed and many crew members were died. Before this attack, America was not in the war, but after this attack, America was directly came forward in the war. So after the very next day, on December 8, 1941, USA declared war against Japan. Why Japan do this? Why Japan forced USA to came forward in the war? That they could not handle it. Japan has done this because after losing World War I, USA have forced Japan to sign many treaties and much fine on them. So for taking the revenge of World War I, Japan has attacked USA and came in the side of the Axis force. On February 8, 1942, Singapore was took over by Japan. Similarly, Japan used to build their camp on new two countries, Myanmar and Philippines, on April 29, 1942 and May 6, 1942. But they forgot that they have already challenged USA, which they could not be able to handle. On June 23, 1942, Japan was defeated by Allied force in the Midway. During the World War II, Japan Air Force was one of the biggest and finest air force of that time. So defeated them is one of the biggest challenge to the Allied force. Before this attack, the Axis force was furthermore ahead in the World War II than the Allied. But after this attack, the race of the Axis force used to grow down in the graph and the Allied used to grow up. On February 2, 1943, the German army surrendered in front of USSR army in Stalingrad because they haven't enough food. Also, they were struggling with the cold and many of their armies were dead. Eventually, their leader Hitler didn't order them to surrender, but they were forced in front of this situation. In order to the case of Stalingrad, there were excitement all over the world that who will win the Battle of Stalingrad. After the defeat of German army in the Battle of Stalingrad, they were never bounced back hardly in the World War II. On 8 September 1943, Italy has done surrender, although Benito Mussolini was not told to do so. But he lost his control under his army. On November 20, 1943 to November 23, 1943, Allied force made a camp on France and attacked the German armies. At the time of Second World War, in the France there was one of the biggest army base of Germany. A huge war took place here and the German armies defeated. From 26 November 1943 to 1st December 1943, Tehran Conference took place. The Tehran Conference was done by the Big Three: Joseph Stalin, Winston Churchill, and Franklin Roosevelt. The aim to do Tehran Conference was the Big Three got a hint that they were winning the World War II and to form the United Nations. On 20 October 1944, US Army took over Philippines from Japan. From this, the Allied forces used to attack where there is an camp or base of Axis. On 16 December 1944, in the War of Bulls, Germany tried to bounce back, but they did not able to hold it for a long time. The Holocaust took place in between 1941 to 1945. Almost 6 million Jews became the victim of it. The Holocaust was done by the German army SS. They used to torture the Jews in their torture cell. During the World War II, which was known as Holocaust. Many people think that Nazis was an army group. No, it's not an army group. It was the political party of Hitler. The army group of Germany was SS. On 26 March 1945, Hiroshima was took over by the Allied forces. On 30 April 1945, Hitler committed suicide along with his wife by taking poison, by seeing his defeat in the World War II. On 7th May 1945, Germany was surrendered, through which World War II was finished on Europe. On 6th August 1945, USA had thrown a nuclear bomb Little Boy at Hiroshima, and on August 9, 1945, thrown Fat Man at Nagasaki in Japan. This nuclear bomb blast was known as the most worst cases in the world history. USA had done this because Italy had surrendered, Germany had surrendered, but Japan is the one who is not wanted to surrender. To force them to do surrender, USA has done this. On 2nd September 1945, Japan signed in the surrender paper. With this, World War II officially came to an end. The result of World War II. Axis force was defeated, and on 24 October 1945 the United Nations was formed by the 5 countries of the Allied force UK, USSR, USA, China and France, who were the present Security Council member of United Nations. Thanks for watching this video. Try to watch another video. That's for today. See you on next week. Till then, Eid Mubarak.